What's going on, guys? So here we got the 2016 Ducati Diavel. It's here for a complete service. They check engine code. Complete service consists of all your fluids, your motor fluid, oil filter, brake fluid, clutch fluid, coolant fluid. We're going to go through and we're going to check the air pressure, make sure all of our major fasteners are torqued. We're going to adjust the chain, lube all the hinges, lube all the stuff that needs to be lubed. Then we're going to check out what that safety code is. So we got last week we had the Ducati Super Sport in. Now we got this Diavel, and then right over behind me we got another Scrambler, Ducati Scrambler 2024. So stay tuned for that one. But yeah, so that's what this one's in here for. So let's get started. All right, so here's your clutch master cylinder. These fasteners here are a 2.5. We're gonna loosen this up, pop the cap off, and then if you'll come down here with me, here is your clutch slave and your bleeder valve. It's a 8mm. Put that on there, pop it open, and we'll get the fluid out of there that way. That's no bueno. Oh yeah. Icky. Get a test light here. Check the water consistency. Oh yeah. That needs to be changed really bad. On this 2016 Diavel, we're going to use .4 brake fluid from what the manufacturer recommends for our clutch fluid. We're just going to fill it up. Now, a little side note, you notice I sucked the old stuff out of here first. Okay, there's nice fresh fluid in there. Now we're going to go down to the valve down here, and we're going to suck the old stuff out and just keep topping off the fluid up here so we get nice fresh fluid in there and we don't get no air in the line. Okay, so now we have our new fresh brake fluid in there, and we're going to retest the fluid. There you go. Okay, so we're going to clean all of our stuff up. Make sure it's all nice and clean before we go putting it back on, so we're not going to have any gunk fall in our master cylinder. Now be careful because .4 brake fluid can eat paint. Like that. It's too full. Okay, so there we go. There's our clutch fluid replacement. We're going to do the exact same process to the front brake master cylinder and the rear brake master cylinder. So we're just going to do the same steps. Suck it out of the master cylinder, fill it up, go back to the bleeder valve, open it, suck it through, pop it off, good to go. Make sure you do not suck all the fluid out of the reservoir, or you will add air to the system, and then you're going to have to start the process all over again. So just to make it quick and easy and you don't get any mistakes, Bear getting in line, suck it out first, fill it up, and then go down here, open it, suck it out down there while topping it off.